Hi, tutor. My name is Yamile Torres Perez. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Alvarado, Tolima. I'm a student environmental engineering. I'm single. Description of the restaurant. Name: Restaurant of Modern Land. Location: Variante, Alvarado, Tolima. What type of food it serves? Pipitolia, sancocho, meat, and fish. The special of the house is roasted goat. How the service is? Its service is excellent, very good. Photos the restaurant. Pipitolia and roasted goat. Big lads, invitar a my friends and to come this excellent restaurante in Alvarado, Tolima, Colombia. Thank you, tutor companions. Happy day.